Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the choreography, a very simple one of Lamborghini. It's a remix by DJ Joel from YouTube, and I'll give you also the link on my the channel video of which music we've used, and then I'll show you some basic footwork to be able to copy the choreography. Let's start with the dance. Alright, now I'm going to show you the footwork up till that part of the song. We start with first walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we start with Lamborghini, you're holding a steering wheel. Left hand is free. You cross your leg, open, cross. The hand goes circling and it goes clockwise. 1, 2, anti-clock, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep it fisted like you're holding a steering wheel. 7, 8. From here, you will take your left leg and lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift to the right. 2, 3. And after that, you stop and you clap. What I do with my hand is, keeping all my fingertips together, look towards it like it's a mirror and shoo away something. Shoo away the fly that's on the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoo away. 2, 3, clap. From here, we're going to make a turn. Both hands straight, right hand down, elbow straight, hopping on your right leg, left leg being your pivot leg, and lift your heels up to give you the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Clap, turn, 2, 3, 4. From here, we move to this step. Keep your balance in the center. Open your knees wider than your shoulder. Open your legs And now you're going to push the hip and your whole body weight moves to the right while both your elbows are straight. Arms move like a stop to the left side. 1, bring it in, body straight. 2, in. 3, and same side. 4, 1, in. 2, in. 3, and 4. From here, we move to the musical part. No, from here it goes 1, 2, 1, 2. Saying no, lift your knees up. The knees are straight, you lift your legs up from the heel. 3, 4. From here, we move to the music. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, twist. Fingertips open, palms up. 3, 1, 2, 3. Walk, where your right leg comes forward. Open the left leg. Walk, open. 3, you go 4 steps forward and you go 4 steps backwards. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. From here, we move to the Lamborghini main step. Cross, back. You see my back is straight. I'm leaning forward. It's a diagonal, straight up. Arch my back. Right leg is on toes. Right leg is on toes. The leg is back. 2. From here, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do hop, hop, hop and clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Come back again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to our Lamborghini step. And that's how the whole thing repeats itself. So hope you find the steps. The footwork's very easy. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you need any help, email me. Love you guys.